it's us, the Bluebells, and actually, here our introduction.
This is the first time in a vlog.
Yeah, in our vlog, we're going to buy squishies
Dumpling.
and rating them and see who has the better squishies. And we have a budget. How much is our budget? We'll see when we go.
That's my mother squishy.
Okay, transition.
And we should
Eat. Do you like the view?
My life into pieces!
Mga baliw.
Butter.
Bombastic side eye.
Time na lang yung glazer cut. Ako 8 nila. Gusto ko lang mag-squishy.
We're going to make it now.
Thank you, Helato.
We're at home and now we're going to.
Okay, sirain ko na.
No,
Why?
you just need to like slide.
Slide it.
I got the glitter.
Oh, it's my birthday.
Wait, I like it. It's like a.
Can I
like
feel
an
it?
eagle.
It was my first time. Can I try? It's my open.
I got a bronze.
Hey, bitch. Yo!
I
Get
got-
glitter.
It feels like a needle.
Hey, open your toys.
Okay, I'm gonna help you.
That's yours.
3, 2, 1, reveal.
Where's my
It is a cat.
It is a cat.
It's so
I thought it
cute.
was green.
But it looks so cute. Like it's.
Let's open
it's
my
your
butter.
favorite. Okay.
Hey, this is my friend's
If
question.
you want to see Ish again in this video, make sure to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.